What is up, everyone? It is Halloween King, and today we will be setting up the Ringmaster animatronic. So I found this guy yesterday at my local Spirit, but I did not have time to set him up, so let's set him up. Alright. I have not seen what's inside. Well, I have. Alright, I've seen already what's inside the box, because I just want to take a peek. And there's a slide out box. We have to knock this down, push it, and now we will take out all the stuff. Oh, it's on the wrong side. Gotta flip it over. Alright, so we pulled everything out, so let's see what we have. So first we have a leg, and inside we have the cane thing, whatever you want to call it. There's the leg. Here we have is arm piece. Alright, here we have the other hand with the stick, or cane, or whatever you want to call it. Here it is, looking really cool. Smells funky, but there's his head. We have another leg pull. So there it is. We have his shoes. We have another shoe. Instructions. Clothing. We have pantaloons and bow ties. And I think the hat is in there. Alright, here we have the... What fell? We have his chest piece. I'm going to carefully put this over here. Here is his adapter, and this is a very cool one. I think it's waterproof, is it? Yeah, I think it's waterproof. It might be, I don't know. Hip loop. Have the base. Alright, let's set him up. Capitán. That hurt real bad now.
Welcome to the carnival. My friends are going to show you a scary good time.